If you need help with your AnyDesk account, or you're running into a problem, the fastest way to reach support is by creating a ticket inside your AnyDesk account. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to contact AnyDesk support step by step, so you can get your issues submitted correctly without wasting time. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can use any modern browser, but Chrome is a simple place to start. In the address bar, go to my.anydesk.com and press Enter. This will take you to the official AnyDesk account portal. Once the page loads, sign in with your AnyDesk account details. Make sure you log in with the account that's actually connected to the issue you need help with, because that will make it easier for support to review your request. After you're logged in, look at the menu on the left side of the dashboard. Scroll through the options until you find Help and Contact, then click it. This section is where AnyDesk keeps support-related options, including the ticket form you'll need to use. Once you open it, scroll down the page until you see the option to create a ticket. Click Create a Ticket to begin the support request process. Now you'll see a form where you can submit your issue to the AnyDesk support team. The first thing to do is click the Dropdown button. From the list of options, select General if your issue is not tied to a very specific category. If your problem is about something basic like login issues, account questions, or general app support, this is usually the right choice. Next, fill in all the required details carefully. Make sure you enter your name, email, and any other information the form asks for. Then type your issue clearly in the message box. Try to explain the problem in simple language and include helpful details like what happened, when it happened, and what you were trying to do. If you include error messages or screenshots, that can also help the support team understand your request faster. Before sending, take one more look at everything to make sure it's accurate. A clear and complete support message can save a lot of back and forth later. Once you're happy with the details, click Send Message to submit your ticket to AnyDesk support. And that's it. You've now contacted AnyDesk support through the official ticket system. This is the best way to get help directly from the AnyDesk team while keeping your request organized and easy to track. If this video was useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.